First guys, open your Landbank mobile banking. Then as you can see, may balance tayo na 17.56. Then i-click ang found transfer. Click found transfer, then select destination account. Select bank at i-type dito ang own bank. Then account number, receiver name. Then dito sa receiver mobile number and receiver email is optional lang naman yan. So kahit hindi na yan lagyan. Then i-click ang proceed. Then enter amount kung magkano. So ngayon I try 100 muna. Then i-click lang natin itong, i-check lang natin, then i-click ang confirm. As you can see guys, zero service fee charge tayo dahil 100 lang. So, from 1,000 to 100 free siya. Then, enter your one-time PIN kung may marireceive kayong PIN sa inyong cellphone number which is yung naka-register sa inyong Landbank. As you can see, nagbawas na, naging 1,600 na lang at punta lang tayo dito sa aking own bank. Then, pumasok agad siya. Real time, pumasok ang ating tina-transfer na 100 pesos. So, ngayon guys, ang tanong naman dito sa own bank. Kung own bank from any bank or GCash, Maya, kung papasok ba. Ngayon, i-tutorial ko naman kung papasok nga ba agad in real time. So, panoorin nyo na lang sa next video tutorial ko guys. Thank you for watching.